Right, so we've just swapped cylinders 1 and 4 coil packs over, left the plugs where they are, and we're using the tool. Now we're on cylinder 4, and you probably can't see that very well, but I'll do a little savey save. And what we found is that the faulty cylinder has jumped to cylinder 4. So with the scope you can tell that. So it's a new coil pack as well as a new set of spark plugs, and then the customer should be all good. So let me get some of those bits on order. I'll give you a shout when it's done, and we'll go out for another run, shall we?